Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. Let's further our knowledge in real estate. Today our title is Maintaining Your Home's Exterior to Prevent Costly Repairs. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Owning a home is a rewarding experience, providing a sense of stability and accomplishment. However, it also comes with responsibilities, particularly when it comes to maintenance. Neglecting your home's exterior can lead to costly repairs down the line. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of maintaining your home's exterior. We'll explore practical tips and strategies to help you safeguard your investment and avoid those dreaded emergency repairs. From routine inspections to seasonal maintenance, we'll cover it all. So let's dive in and empower you to become a proactive homeowner. Regular inspections are paramount to identifying potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Think of it as a routine checkup for your home, similar to how you would visit a doctor for preventative care. But how often should you be inspecting your home's exterior? Experts generally recommend a thorough inspection at least twice a year, ideally during the spring and fall. These transitional seasons often reveal the effects of harsh weather conditions, making it easier to spot potential issues. A simple walk around your property, paying close attention to key areas, can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. The roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. It endures rain, snow, wind, and sun, making it susceptible to wear and tear. Start by inspecting your roof for missing, damaged, or curled shingles. Look for signs of moss or algae growth, which can indicate trapped moisture and potential leaks. Additionally, check your attic for any signs of water damage, such as stains or damp insulation. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent costly repairs, such as replacing your entire roof. Consider hiring a qualified roofing contractor for a professional inspection every few years. Gutters may seem like a small detail, but they play a crucial role in protecting your home from water damage. Clogged gutters prevent water from flowing away from your home, leading to potential foundation issues, basement flooding, and landscape erosion. Inspect your gutters at least twice a year, clearing them of leaves, twigs, and other debris. Consider installing gutter guards to minimize debris buildup and reduce the frequency of cleaning. During your inspections, check for any signs of leaks, sagging, or damage to the gutters and downspouts. Proper gutter maintenance ensures that water is directed away from your home, protecting its foundation and structural integrity. Section 5. Siding and trim. Safeguarding against the elements. Your home's siding and trim not only enhance its curb appeal, but also act as a protective barrier against the elements. Regularly inspect your siding for cracks, holes, warping, or loose boards. Pay close attention to areas around windows and doors where caulking and weather stripping may deteriorate over time. These gaps can allow water to seep in, leading to rot, mold, and structural damage. Address any issues promptly by repairing or replacing damaged siding and resealing gaps with high-quality caulk. A fresh coat of paint can also work wonders, enhancing your home's appearance while providing an additional layer of protection. Section 6. Foundation fundamentals. A solid base for your home. The foundation is arguably the most critical part of your home's structure. It supports the entire weight of the house, making it essential to address any issues promptly. Inspect your foundation regularly for cracks, gaps, or signs of settling. Pay attention to any changes in the surrounding soil, such as excessive dryness or moisture, which can impact the foundation's stability. Look for cracks in interior walls, uneven floors, or doors that stick, as these can be indicators of foundation problems. Addressing foundation issues early on is crucial to avoid costly repairs. Consult with a structural engineer or a qualified foundation specialist if you notice any signs of concern. Section 7. Seasonal strategies. Tailoring maintenance to the time of year. Each season brings its own set of challenges for homeowners. Implementing seasonal maintenance strategies can help you stay ahead of potential issues and protect your home year-round. Inspect and clean your gutters after the winter months. Check your roof for damage caused by winter storms. Service your air conditioning unit and clean the exterior condenser. Repair any damage to your lawn and landscaping from winter weather. Inspect and clean your gutters again, as summer storms can bring heavy rain and debris. Check your attic for proper ventilation to prevent heat buildup. Trim trees and shrubs away from your home to reduce the risk of damage from storms. Clean your gutters thoroughly to prepare for winter. Winterize your sprinkler system to prevent frozen pipes. Inspect and repair any damage to your home's exterior before winter sets in. Protect your pipes from freezing by insulating exposed pipes and allowing faucets to drip slightly during extremely cold weather. Check your roof for snow and ice buildup and remove it safely to prevent damage. Keep your gutters and downspouts clear of snow and ice to ensure proper drainage. Inspect your home's exterior for any signs of ice dams, which can cause significant damage. Section 8. Cost savings through prevention. A smart investment. Investing in preventative maintenance may seem like an added expense, but it pales in comparison to the cost of major repairs. For instance, a small roof leak, if left unaddressed, can lead to extensive water damage, costing thousands of dollars to repair. According to Home Advisor, the average cost of repairing water damage from a roof leak is around $2,500. Similarly, neglecting your gutters can result in foundation damage, which can cost tens of thousands of dollars to fix. By investing in regular inspections and addressing minor issues promptly, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of facing these costly repairs. Preventative maintenance is a smart investment that protects your home and your wallet. Section 9. Conclusion. Your home, your haven. Maintaining your home's exterior is an ongoing responsibility, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. By incorporating routine inspections and seasonal maintenance into your routine, you can protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in preventing costly repairs and ensuring that your home remains your haven for years to come. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also, take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.